Well, Mama is going to Palawan for Miss Universe Philippines. Are you making hatid, Mama? What's that? Dirty shoe. Dirty? Ay, nako. Ay, clean ni Mami. Hatid mo si Mama? Luna, look. Look.
Dirty.
Dirty shoes. Okay, dirty pala. Clean muna bago hatid.
Yeah.
Dada will also make hatid. Good morning, everyone. We are now going to the airport because I am going to Palawan for Miss Universe Philippines. We have a shoot there. Luna will make hatid, Mama. You say hi. You say hi. Hi, sus. And Dada.
Hey.
Make hatid.
Hello.
So we're on the way to the airport. Let's go.
We're here.
Dahil sa iba siyang terminal pumunta, sasalubungin natin.
Scammer talaga yun si Gab. Walang taxi.
Walang
si Gabi.
taxi.
There's no taxi.
Gab! Doc, 100 lang pala gusto mo, Doc. Nasaan ka na? Siya na pala. Nagbabash tayo kay Gabi, hindi ba siya yung darating?
Nagkamali din yung dumating.
Ano mali din? Wala, mali din siya.
So Terminal 3 din siya. So wala rin kaming inihintay.
Wala.
I hope this is Gabi na.
Si Gabi na yan.
Nakita niya kaya tayo?
I feel like it's Gabi. Ayan. Che!
We have 200 for you.
I love it, I'm part of the vlog.
You're part of the vlog. Ang daming ready magbigay ng 100 sa'yo. Good morning! Good morning! Sino yun?
Yung star witness.
Wait, good morning, Sir Borge.
Morning.
Good morning! Dito kami ng El Nido today. Summer is Summer sa July. Summer sa July. I-push natin yan.
Binabagyo. Sana tayo babagyo.
Hindi, wag.
Hindi,
wag
ang
naman.
ganda ng weather doon.
Morning!
Morning! I'm your top 7.
Bakit naman mas maganda pa yung lipstick mo kaysa
Wait,
sa
walang
amin?
lipstick guys ha. Sorry.
Oh my God.
Hindi ka mahilig sa print, no?
Hindi. Tingnan mo. Oo, botok sa pa.
Actually,
Hindi mahilig sa print. Print on print on print on print. Only
Tayo ano lang.
Wala, black lang.
Namin.
Black lang. Mga bodyguard ni Chelsea.
Bodyguard.
This one, we're gonna be vloggers. Good morning, Yana.
Good morning. All the content.
Ang chill ni Yana.
Huwag po pa ilagay.
Ay, no. Ay, sorry. No more na. Sorry. Mas maganda ka pa kesa sa amin.
Hindi, ano ba? Extra mo ako. Pag nakatalikod, win. Tapos magharap si Win na ulit.
May we have your
Ang ganda
attention,
mo,
please?
Yana.
We would like to inform you that your flight will be delayed due to late arrival or return around On the progress of second flight may 6 to report please to please stay
Pati ako
and
na
remain seated.
Vlogger era.
Comments on our flight.
Welcome to our vlogs. Morning na kami. Finally. Hi, Chelsea. Ikot ako. We're here in El Nido.
Hi, Miss Win. Hi, Luna.
Hi, vlog.
we miss you.
In fairness, ang talino mo dyan, Atisa. Sa atin yan? Really? Wow, thank you! Wala po burger si Chelsea.
Hindi nyo binigyan.
1 p.m. and ngayon pala kami magla-lunch. Masaya ka ba? Chelsea, masaya ka pa ba? Ready na ba kayo sa Survivor episode na?
Survivor ba't may buffet?
Survivor pero may buffet. Papakainin muna nila tayo bago may challenge. Gutom na kami. So we're on the way to our room. Actually, the whole island. Kami lang nga nandito. Grabe. Thank you, Jewel Mer. So excited to see the Pearl Farm today as well. So magbibihis lang kami. Look at that. Here it is with the duyan and all. Room 12. I love it. Lovely, lovely. We're on our way. Ito na kami sa Pearl Farm. Palit lang ako ng outfit. You are. You're gonna make it to the vlog.
Oh my gosh, I love it. We're both vlogging.
Yes, we're both vlogging. Different POV.
Clear.
It is.
Good afternoon and welcome to the hatchery department.
One is the donor oyster. So they are the ones who will give color to the pearls.
We will name it It smells like the sea. Darna! Darna! They are extracting, I don't know if that's the right term, yung pearls, the golden pearls. Super nice, guys. Grabe, that's why it's priced like that. Kasi super daming pinagdadaanan. Tapos talagang inaalagaan talaga nila. The girls are still inside. Check. Wow.
Ingat po.
Babalik na kami sa Flower Island. Now we're back in the Flower Island. I'm going back to our place para mag-freshen up. There's no signal here. Like zero signal. And I have to stay sa may parang dinner area to talk to Luna and my partner. And I'm not sure if this is room 12. Oh no, this is room 11. See? Here, walking alone. We're gonna freshen up and then later, meron daw performance. Yung mga na-meet namin kanina, and then we're gonna have dinner. And then tomorrow, day 2, we're gonna have a shoot. So, yeah, this is going to be 3 parts. Or 2. Day 1, day 2. Because day 3, uwi naman na kami. So, here we are. In our place. There it is. Mag-freshen up muna ako, and then it's time for dinner. This is the bathroom. Janine. What is privacy? Ah, hindi. Meron naman. It's close naman. There. So, I don't think I'm gonna change. No one's gonna change. Panindigan na natin to. Yes. Peace. Ang ganda naman ang suot mo, madam.
Sesh na lang po. May joke na.
Diba? Ganda. Bagay na bagay.
Ako na ay.
Ikaw.
Pilihan ko sa You're lucky. Joke na. Lucky me.
I'm so lucky. Lucky me. Siyempre tayo naka-leggings.
Antay lang mo.
Antay lamok dahil ayoko kagatin ng lamok. Pero let the jewelry speak for itself. Siya, may leader ka na nakita. Sana nga. Babalik yan doon. Alam na mga beauty queen tayo, sa sash tayo natuwa. Yun ang tunay na toxic. Sorry. Masasabi ba sa kanilang performance?
Superb. Pang grand finals. Pinalo ang PGT. Grabe na.
Let's eat! Let's have dinner! Dinner time! Kanya-kanya po kaming hanap ng pwesto. Kanya-kanyang usap. Kanya-kanyang paalam. Kanya-kanyang good night sa aming mga friends, family, partners. Kasi dito lang may wifi. Kasi wala na kaming signal doon sa mga rooms namin. Okay guys, that concludes our day 1. Yay! Cheers! It's a wrap. So day 2 tomorrow. Kayo nga magsabi. Like, share. Kayo nga. Go.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Hit the
Notification.
With your best shot.
Nilagay mo pero sensor. Sensor ka to! Notification bell! Okay, sige kayo mag-ano. Meron pa kayong message? Siana na lang! Kayo mag-ano, magbabay na tayo sa day 1 natin. Chelsea? Bye guys! Share, subscribe. O go kayo. Thank you. Ano block? Restrict.
Block, report, restrict.
Turn off the notification.
Mawalan ako subscriber sa inyo. Good night, guys. Bye. Cover. Bulaga.